One, two, three.
Now John Hardy was a desperate little man, strapped on his guns every day. Shot down a man on the West Virginia line. You ought to seen John Hardy get away. You ought to seen John Hardy get away. Well, he run up to Virginia around the East Stone Bridge, thought he would surely be free. And along came a marshal with a gun in his hand. Said, Johnny, come along with me. Johnny, come along with me. Now John Hardy had himself a little woman. The dress she wore was blue, and she hollered out to Johnny as he rode on out of town. Said, Johnny, I'll be true to you. Johnny, I'll be true to you. I was legend to travel from the east to the west, from the north to the south end of town. But when the sun comes up tomorrow, they'll take John Hardy down and show him to his hanging ground. They're gonna let John Hardy swing now.